lot of things are going to happen. You know what else I know? I liked the new boy, and you stepped back from me.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. And you enchant me even when you're not around.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
And I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough.
You stepped
Could I
back.
lock in your love?
I know that you stepped back.
I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love?
Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
You like me?
Got you shackled in my embrace, latching on to you.
I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored.
The blonde beauty.
Hold me
Lucas talks about
tight
himself like that.
in your clutch.
He was talking about you.
How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest?
I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough.